Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about Valentine's Day. Now let's test what you've learned. Let's begin. Is Valentine's Day celebrated in July in the United States? No. It is celebrated on February 14th. Is Valentine's Day only for couples in the US? No, it's also for friends, family, and even coworkers. Do children exchange cards called Valentines at school? Yes, it's a common tradition in American classrooms. Is the day named after a modern celebrity? No, it's named after Saint Valentine, a Christian martyr. Do Americans usually eat turkey on Valentine's Day? No, they usually go out for romantic dinners or share sweets. Are chocolates and flowers popular gifts on this holiday? Yes, especially heart-shaped chocolates and red roses. Can single people celebrate Valentine's Day too? Yes, many people focus on friendship or self-love. Is Valentine's Day about celebrating romantic couples? No, it's a day to celebrate friendship, especially among women. Do stores in the US decorate for Valentine's Day? Yes, with lots of red, pink, and heart-themed products. Is Valentine's Day a national public holiday in the US? No, it's widely celebrated, but not an official day off. Watch this video again to review everything you've learned. And don't forget to subscribe so you're always ready for the next beautiful episode about English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.